train spotting and film trains if you go to the station with Shepton on platform 1, which is situated to your left. You're allowed to do that, and you just have to go for a safety feature, answer questions. So it gives me the permission to film and show you around the station and take as many pictures and videos as I want within an hour. I'm not going to be here that long, to be honest. I'm just going to make the most of this. But yeah, that's what you have. Platform 1. It's nice already. Nice wristband for the day. Better souvenir actually, to be honest. Look. Souvenir. It says my name. Yeah. Train spotter. It says train spotter. Train enthusiast last time. Yeah, I got the wristband. It's got my details on there. Yeah. At least I get to film the trains for you. I've got permission to do this, but I have to stay on platform 1. I had to be aware of the health and safety, the fire alarm and everything, because you're here. So I'm glad they got that in place. It makes me feel safe. And now I get to see trains come in and out. So yeah. I thought I had to wait an hour, I think I had 1 hour time slot. But I had to pick it, you have to pick a time to come here and make the most of it. You have to have photo ID, that's the problem. Shit, I leave it at the back. YouTuber's point of view, getting trains. Oh, look at that one, it's got yellow at the front. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that. I like this train. I've got permission to film here and I'm allowed to go this far, which is great, but I've got a whole hour to film as much as possible. Oh, let's get up here quick. I don't know what time these trains go out. It's pot luck really. But it's the place best for it. It's the catch Elizabeth line. Go out as well. Oh, I like that train, it's got yellow at the front. That's where you sit. The Class 800s. These go to the West Country. I can go to York for one of these. Takes to York. Actually, York would be. I'm trying to think that York would be. I think that's King's Cross. We're at Paddington. There's got like Oxford, Penzance. You can do an overnight train here. That's the underground over there. You can do overnight trains. Look at that view. I was waiting for trains to go out. Paddington, wait for a train to go out. I don't know what one's going to go out next. But yeah, look at that. Look at the yellow colour. Compared to that one, I like that one. We ran. I'm keeping track of time anyway. I'm not going to be here long. But 1 hour is my time slot. I just wait for a train to go past. I've got to abide by the rules though. This is the bridge where buses and cars go over. Train, the overground is right over there. London Underground. Underground. I think it's underground. Yeah, underground and the Elizabeth line. There's a train going out. Express. That was the Heathrow Express train. I don't know what one's coming next. I'm the only train spotter here today. Wristband. It says work location Paddington. We're working. Oh, We're working to get you some good videos of these trains here. I don't know how often they come out, but we have only had one. We missed one that pulled in, was just over there. That one just there we pulled in. We missed that one, we hope to see other ones. We've got 7 minutes past 4 anyway. I think the best time to come here will be during the week, be more trains. I've come here the wrong day, haven't I? Never mind. I'm wasting my time, it's been over half hour, only on one train. But, you know, catch some more than one at least. Otherwise I'd have to video the station itself. Let's talk to you around this train station. This is Paddington. The 2 Class 800s are in there. As you can see there and there. I don't know when they're going out. I don't know what's coming through. We've got an underground train at least. At least one. One Heathrow Express. Be nice to see one of these trains put in. Especially on this platform. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? If it was on this platform. Let's turn it up a bit. So yeah, we're here. You see the old Paddington, old buildings at the top, the old bit, the old Victorian platforms there. Nice to see that, isn't it? And they've got all the railways, all the junctions. Nothing's come through yet. Yeah. The signals. Oh, signal's gone green. Signal's gone green here. Just here. Where are we? Zoom out. The signal just went green. Just here, yeah. Here. So I'm guessing the train's going to be pulling out soon. How cool is that? Little luggage man. I'm waiting for a train. The sun's just come out, by the way. Look. The sun's just beautifully come out. Mr. BP. Here's Elizabeth Line. In all its glory. And also the underground. And it's all in one. This is it. That was lovely. That was nice to see all that. All 3 trains in one go. It's like you wait and wait, and then all of a sudden all 3 trains come at once. I'm still waiting for one of these to pull out or pull in. Either way, I am ready, waiting for this to happen. As I've got a time slot here. It's the class 802. That's me done for the day at Paddington. I've got a few trains anyway. I can get a close-up video of this one now. You got 802s. This is the 802. There's the class 800. It's class 802. That's one just putting in. It's a double train. So you get the front of the engine now. It's the class 800. Seeing that train, eh? That is a nice train. It's not very often you get that close to see up to a train. Western Railways 800-019. Yeah, pretty nice to see this. Doing a bit of a clean up at the moment, but I'm going to go to the bit where it's split in the middle so I can show you where both trains connect with the nose part so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to film it a bit where it's connected at the nose part, which is further along the line. Here's the middle part where the nose connects. Wow, they've got people's names on there. John Jensen, MBE, that one there. Wow, BBC Radio Bristol. This is a nice place, so you see where they connect. The magnets, electric magnets, that's how they connect. It's a bit of a fascination on the Great Western Railways. It's worth doing this train, it's a nice journey. And it has some sort of speed on it, which is about 140 miles per hour. Class 800s. Two class 800s actually. Yes, here at Paddington. I live here at Paddington. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time guys. Until next time.